this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that hails from Singapore. This is Nissin UFO Yakisoba. And this is the black pepper crab flavor, Singapore black pepper crab. Definitely one of the defining dishes of Singapore. A place I really want to go. And no, I know lots of nice people there. I really do. I'd love to visit every company in Singapore, every noodle company. That would be fun. Although the only way I'm getting to Singapore is if a noodle company invites me, and I've had, during my trips to different countries in Asia, I've had companies go, would you visit with us too? And it's like, yeah, that wouldn't be, it's like, this company brought me over here. I'm not gonna go like, oh, we don't want that there. We want that here. But no, I'm not gonna go moonlighting while I'm traveling on somebody else's dime. That's not kind. Although it'd be fun to go visit every other company too, but no, that's not right. So yeah, man. It's 10 a.m. I'm on the third of 4 reviews I'm gonna doing, and then I'm gonna do a mukbang. I don't really at this point I don't feel like doing a mukbang. But I'm gonna, because I've got everything all ready. I could just not do the next review, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Or I could go out and then come back and do the mukbang. That's a possibility as well. I'm pondering. I have a feeling that the trail that I want to do all my walking on is still pretty icy. There was a lot of junk on there yesterday, and honestly, looking out here, there's a lot less snow and ice junk left, but there's still enough that makes me think that the trail's probably like a lost cause. There was so much yesterday. And it didn't, I mean, if it starts raining and dumping rain, that would be good. I don't think we're supposed to get below freezing for the next couple days, so it will depart. We will lose our pile of liquid sky chowder, which would be really nice. That's the thing, I got a love-hate relationship with snow. I like it, I think it's rad. It's the little kid in me that makes me go like, oh, it's snowing, yeah, go and like look at it. And then there's the adult in me that wants to go and do something, and then it's just like, oh, yeah, but there's crap all over the place. I can't do the crap I want to do because of that crap. So it's kind of a love-hate relationship with that particular form of weather. And I don't know what else to do about it other than just go, well, what do you do? What does one do? The school bus was waiting for us at the bus stop today. That was very odd. I guess he got to skip a stop because probably another kid was sick. Not last week, but the week before last, we got an email from my daughter's kindergarten teacher saying, something crazy happened today. 15 of my students were out sick. And it's just been like over and over and over and over and over. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, what is it? 6 sick sheep? Isn't that the hard thing to say? But yeah. 6 sick children. 15 flu-like children. I don't know. I just don't know anymore, folks. I'm so tired. I I'm so very tired. I gotta catch up on my sleep. I don't know. I've been having a lot of fun doing reviews though. And the last one today I think will be 4475, which will, or 76. I want to say 78, but I'm pretty sure that's not. I don't know. But I'm definitely. I did 4 reviews yesterday, and I'm doing 4 today. So I am gonna get. You know, if I just keep it up, I will get to review number 4500 before the new year, which will be rad. And then I'm gonna take a month off of doing this crap, build up my stockpile of noodles again, and then go back to it maybe like a month later and just do like a week or 2 of doing like 4 reviews a day. That seems to be like a nice way to do it, because I just burn myself out on, it's not the, I mean, I like to try noodles. That's not going to change. I don't get burned out on that. I got burned out on the process, because I've got to, like, I'm doing my stuff right now. I got to make the time for that. I've got to, you know, cook the noodles and all this stuff that you're watching right now. I've got to take these videos and then put those together. But the thing that takes the longest time, taking pictures and editing video and getting posts ready. That takes a bit of time. I think I spent probably 2 hours last night getting these 4 ready. I got a mukbang that I did yesterday, and that one I've got to edit, and I'll have a mukbang I got to do today that I'll have to edit, and I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't know, I don't know what's gonna happen. Something will happen. This is chili crab yakisoba. My wife is sending me messages, but I cannot tell what they say. Hopefully it's like, they gave everybody a raise. They gave everybody a bonus. We all have cheese. That'd be nice. It is Christmas time. I guess she's got a holiday party she's gonna do. That's cool. Every job she gets, they have holiday parties, but family's not allowed. Whoa. Oh, something must be out for delivery. The Alexa device likes to talk. Do you have one of those? Is yours called Alexa? Is yours called Computer? Or Echo? Alexa, play Taste the Biscuit by Toasters and Moose on Amazon Music. Alexa, stop. Oh, see. Alexa, stop it. But here's our noodle. Sweet, salty, peppery. This is good. That one is very good. See, when these guys do stuff that's like, I don't know, the other one that they did wasn't Singaporean standardy. When these guys do like a standard Singapore flavor like this, it's sensational. And then, but they did a truffle carbonara that was like really good. But then they did a Korean chicken, like spicy chicken, kind of like a bulldog. And I don't know, all I got was like pepper extract and, God, what was it like? It was like pepper extract and week-old coffee. It was the strangest thing ever. I was like, why did that happen? That's not right. This is the only coriander I have, ladies and gentlemen. It's sad, it's pathetic, and I apologize. I got it yesterday at the grocer, and their grocerying is just not up to par. Not up to my standards of grosh. But we do have some. We don't have dragon prawn, but we do have these things. Isn't that what lobster in Chinese translates to as like dragon prawn? I'm pretty sure it is. Somebody in Malaysia told me that. And if anybody's going to know, it's going to be my friends in Malaysia. So, whom I miss greatly and would love to visit again. Malaysia. But I don't know. It's like I've been to these great places like Taiwan and Malaysia and Thailand. And it's like I want to go back to those places because there's things that I didn't get to do that I'd like to do now. But it's like, no, dude, you gotta find out about more new, different places. So, I don't know. Any chance I can get to my homeland of Asia, I'll be happy. Because I swear, that's where I want to retire. I want to live there. I've never felt like there's a place where I belong more than when I've been over in Asia. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. At least for me. At least for me. But yeah. Let's rotate. Let's do that. All right, well, that's it for this one, and you're gonna see next this is Bulldog Rosé stir-fried noodle from South Korea, and just like this one came out on YouTube at 2 p.m. This one will come out tomorrow at 2 p.m. on YouTube, and at 4 p.m. the mukbang will come out. So prepare yourselves to watch me eat noodles. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.